Welcome back to another gameplay video. So guys, I'm again going to play Dude Theft Plus, and I'm so sorry guys that you can see I have a Lamborghini Aventador. So guys, I was that the Prime Minister's sons have a new Lamborghini and I stole it. But I killed police, a lot of police, with my M416, with my Desert Sniper and with my RPG. So see, my ammo is very low. And Kray have told me that you have Lamborghini now, so go come into my house. So I am going to my Lamborghini, but you will say that why did I record? So guys, the reason is that while I recorded, no, there was no noise. But how did it, my voice was not coming in that video? I was shocked for a time. But then also, let's go to Krill's house and see, and let's get some news. Oh, this is my lifetime partner Lamborghini Aventador, my lifetime partner. So basically, I have take this because this is my lifetime partner. Because another duty was people just throw their cars, not make lifetime partner. But this is my lifetime partner in this game. So let's talk to Krill. No! Guys, I'm very angry now. Krill was telling that the mafia killed that Jack. And while listening, I am very now and with that he lived it to come into the Duke gym. But he have said me that Krill have told me that he has a dream to ride in a private jet, and I have a private jet. So basically, I have a private jet, and he doesn't. So my plan is that first we need to, so first, while taking the revenge, we need to call him anyway, and he will just kill us when he will ever see. So we need a agent to do that, and I'm finding agent in I'll find the agent in next episode. So my plan is that the agent will say that Richie has a private jet, would you like to so he is a private awesome private he has an awesome private jet. So he will basically say yes only to ride. But what I'll do, if I will die, I can respawn, because in this game there is a revive option. We just need to see only one ad. I will watch. But he will die, and while that private jet crash, I will be very happy that I took the Jack's revenge. And I know there will be so much police in Jack's house, but how could he do that? So first we need a gun for, so, and the second plan is I will crash one private, I have two private jets and two private helicopters. So I'll crash one of my bigger jet, and then you see what I do. I will when I will do that when I will blast my tank over here, no, then I will deliver, then I'll throw my tank over here, and the mafia's brothers assistants are over here. You killed Jack, now prepare to die. Let me guys let me gauge my power power. You guys killed Jack, my best friend, my first friend in this dude town. And you are thinking I will leave you? I will kill you with your boss. First I'll kill you, then your boss. Police, you were the ones who tried to kill. And guys, I couldn't have thought that this much bad will happen with me. I am running now, because my revenge is not completed yet. When I'll complete my revenge, I'll be very happy. And then I will told scientists to respond to Jack in this game. But I think he can also flop, because nobody can alive a dead person. How did the mafia's brother killed my Jack, my bestest friend, my first bestest friend, the friend who never gave me, who never fraud me. He always speaks the truth. He killed my best friend. Now it's my turn to get revenge. In when we were listen, when me and Jack were kid, no, then Jack helped me one time. Now it's my turn to get revenge of Jack. First of all, I have 1,08,026. Die! I will not leave any of the robber or that. Where are you going? Oh no, I will arrest. How could they do to kill my best friend? They killed my best friend. Jack helped me to escape the police. Jack showed me a lot of times now. It's my time to get revenge. But guys, tell me a comment. What should I do? How to get revenge? Tell me a different plan. Oh no. Guys, tell me a different plan that I can do. So basically, where is my where is my one of the gun? There we go. I'm here to get ammo of his gun first. Buy, and then where's buy? So our work is also done. Now let's find a shooter who can help us to kill the mafia. So first of all, I am going to the fire gang, because the fire gang can also help us. But they don't know that I am only the person who killed their main boss and the biggest enemy of that. They don't know that, so I think I should take advantage of that. So there we go. That's the fire camp gang. Listen, fire gang. Guys, they were saying that give us 1 lakh, and I have 1,08,022 rupees. And what should I do? Wait a second. Let's see is there any news or what. Experience the tiny down now. Tiny dudes. That's a new picture. New feature, lip sync in a selfie camera. Okay, we don't need that. But guys, I have a different plan. That this jet. Oh no. This jet will help me to defeat the mafia. Now I am big. So I will be big and I will use the cheat code tiny dudes. Then he will be very smaller and I will be very bigger. But no. He killed Jack Datsy. Jack was drunk and he was coming like this way and he did an accident. He was not dead, but then also he again did an accident and killed him. So he did an accident with Mercedes Benz Omeg GTR, the green one car. And I'll kill him with tank. And see, will you help us? Or else I'll kill you. When I said them to help us and give me your money, they have expected that, but they have said me for some money I'll give, and I have said that take how much money you want, but first I need to get ammo of my AK-47 because this was my first gun ever in this game. Yes, my second gun was. Can we purchase from here? Oh, what? What? We can purchase from here also. Now. Now it's perfect. Oh wait. But no time for comedy. Why am I doing comedy? Let's take some practice to get revenge. Now the some my where is my AK-47? My first gun, I need to try it. The gun is very smooth, but it takes a lot of bullets to kill a person. So, Scar, did you see me the bad word? Die! You said me the bad word. Then also, what kind are these guys? Why I'm doing time pass? I'm just doing. I'm not doing time pass, guys. I'm doing practice. And over there is one gun will help us a lot. That is this desert sniper, because you know there will be lot of security in his house, so we will need a powerful gun like this. So I'm thinking, what? Oh, there's a stand. I was thinking that there is a person. If there will be a person, I would just kill him with the rocket launcher. That was my fault. That I didn't accept the Jack's deal. But what kind of this? First, we need to tell the police there's my Mercedes. First, we need to tell the police. Then, after telling the police, after telling the police, we need to talk to the scientist, and after that, we need to talk to some gangsters, and then police, me, and the gangsters will finish the mafia. How did he killed? How did he killed my bestest friend in this game? Then only I was thinking, who is destroying the Jack's cars? Once I need to kill him once and for all. If I'll kill that mafia, that no one will be in our road, and then only me will be the biggest gangster with Jack. Yes. So I am going to the scientist lab, because the scientists have know the formula how to alive dead persons. So I am taking the Rolls Royce over there. Rolls Royce. First deactivate this Duke Kong. Okay. Let's take my this Rolls Royce, and I'll see you after reaching the scientist. Guys, when I reach this lab, then I understand that the zombies also helped the mafia to kill my best friend. So, all of they will die. All of they will die because I'm Richie. They haven't listened about my name. Come! I am a source of great revenge. Guys, I was telling that I will upload the Loki Craft video, but I'm sorry guys, I cannot upload because it's in my grandpa's mobile, and you know that this is Corona time going, so I cannot go outside. Where's my grenade? You ran? Now you will not run. You also have that mafia. If you haven't helped that mafia, I wouldn't kill you, but you are one of the evil source in this dude theft wars. And evil source always die. Oh my god, my life is very low. Machine gun! Ready? 1, 2, 3, die everybody! I'll not leave everybody. Jack. Oh, why you wherever you are, I'm taking your revenge. First, I'll take your revenge from the zombies because Jack was running with by the zombies because zombies told him. How do you take? How nobody helped couldn't. And now I'll beat him with very badly. Now see one time. Die. Headshot. Only 4 zombies. Come. Wait. Deactivate the cheat. Now see. How do you take... My one of the revenge is complete. One of the revenge is complete, but not all. So guys, that's all for this video. Make sure you guys like for Jack. And subscribe for Richie. And I'm telling you promisely that in next video. Wow, see my accuracy directly touched to that lab only. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.